Hi guys, new Pixel, new unboxing. Let's get right into the unboxing of the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro just delivered. Protective films, the packaging. By now we've memorized it. It's very similar, if not identical, to the one from the last 2 years. Let's slide out the package. Here it is, the comprehensive and detailed energy information you've been looking for. This is the first time I've found them in a Pixel, or maybe they were just in the manual. They're attached to the box, but we'll leave them here. Here we are. Here's our legendary Pixel 10. This year, a gray color, in English it's called Moonstone. If I remember correctly, let's open the slide. I love that the Pixel doesn't come out. Okay, here we go. This year we have to destroy everything. Beautiful, really a very nice and appealing color. This gray has some unique shades. In certain tones, it might even look slightly blue, really beautiful. Shiny edges, much like those found on the Pixel 9, which is quite unlike the Pixel 9a. I distinctly remember that those particular models had a more matte finish, specifically a satin finished appearance, complemented by a prominent silver Google logo. What do you think? Spectacular. As I showed in the last video, I only paid €470 for it by trading in the old Pixel 9 Pro I bought last year. Let's take a look, as usual, at the packaging. USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. Of course, there's no longer an adapter or plug, just the USB cable for the charger. The usual little manuals. And there should be, here it is, the SIM tool. The classic, rather small manual and absolutely nothing else. Let's carefully put this back into its proper place. I'll show you the impressive new Pixel 10 Pro again. And I'll leave you with the instantly recognizable and truly classic Google logo prominently displayed as we carefully and deliberately power on this brand new Pixel device together. Here it is, gracefully and smoothly starting up, preparing for its initial boot sequence. Please guys, follow me on the channel and leave me some likes. In the coming weeks, I'll be making several videos about the Pixel 10 Pro. If you have any specific requests, let me know in the comments and I might be able to fulfill them. Thank you all for your attention. Once again, greetings from Antonio Camerino, your go-to Google product expert.